Hey, this is another Silvio Tech how-to video. This how-to video is for the Apollo DVR. How to install the hard drive on the Apollo DVR. Right here I have the hard drive, which will be installed. This is a pretty simple process. Right here there's one screw right here, there's a second screw right here, and the third screw. All of them need to be unscrewed. You notice there's 1, 2, 3 screws. There's another one right here, but that's not necessary to be unscrewed. So all screws are off. Let's get it. Open the cover, lift up the cover, and here are the components. So as you notice, here are the two connecting cables. You will need a SATA connectors right here. These are the connections for the hard drive. Plug in the data and then the power supply. It's best to untie the cables. Going to connect the power cable now. There are two screws that were included in the bag that came with the CD and the manual. Right here. You gotta screw these two to the side. This is what I'm screwing right now. There's two screws. Gonna securely secure the hard drive onto it. There it is. There's the hole. So I just gotta screw the final screw in there. Alright, so it's properly secure now. I'm just going to close up the lid and screw them back. According to Night Owl, they say that you have to have all 5 screws on again. If not, it's dangerous, risk of electrical shock, you know, all that kind of propaganda they say. Most of the time it's probably not even true, but if you don't want to avoid your warranty, I would suggest putting back the cover on, as I just did. Alright, so there it is. It's a bit more heavier now with the hard drive. So there you have it. That's how to install the hard drive on the DVR, specifically the Apollo DVR by Night Owl. Thanks for watching.